Remember, my dear, when Corona was just a beer and we didn't need a mask to leave the house.
That's the beginning of a song by Brian Mackey. Right now, it's probably one of my favorite songs, especially with all this craziness going on in the world today.
Keep the world turning, keep the faith burning, keep some.
The reason I'm sharing this with you is I met Brian because we're both RVers, and he was showing me his RV. It's an old classic retro Toyota, super cool. And I thought I would share it with you because he did remodel the entire inside of his.
You don't mind if I get you in my video, right?
Nah, not at all.
So, I ran into this guy at Starbucks because I was super jealous. Because he can actually take his RV through the drive-thru. And I'm so mad that I can't do that.
It only sparked a little when I went under it.
Yes.
Just a little bit.
This world turning.
It's kind of cool, right?
We'll put a link to all of his information in my video description. He's a music songwriter. He's famous on Instagram, verified and everything.
Right on.
I don't know if it's me, but I feel like these vintage RVs are starting to become really popular now. But the only thing that's not going to become popular, and that I don't think is going to come back, is this floral stuff. This stuff looks terrible. I'm going to admit it. Laura wants to get rid of all this stuff. So what we're going to be doing in this video, we're actually going to be taking all the window frame floral off. We're going to get rid of it and we're going to replace it, and I'll show you what we're going to replace it with in this video. But this stuff looks terrible, and we are getting ahead of ourselves with this. I mean, we're jumping a few steps, and the reason for that is we've got kids. So my youngest, my 2-year-old, destroyed 2 of the blinds. It might have been 3, but he destroyed some of the blinds in the RV. So that's the reason why we're getting ahead of ourselves. And I was just like, you know what, let's just go ahead and replace the window floral and put up the new blinds. Perfect time to do it. So that's what we're going to do in this video. And if you're here for the RV vlogs, check out our channel. We do have a playlist just for all the RV videos. We're going to go ahead and get to removing this stuff and then installing it. What I already removed one. Now it should just pop right off. I'm going to build a frame out of wood just like this, and we're going to get rid of all this ugly floral, and I'm going to just reuse these brackets. Distance between the frames so we know that it'll line up to the brackets that are already in the RV, and we should be good. So and we got our measurement right here, 45.5. But what we're going to have to do is when I build this frame, because the other frame on the other bedroom window, because there's 2 windows in the bedroom, it's going to basically be the exact same size. So when I build this frame, I'm going to actually build 2 of them at the same time, just so I have that other one as well. But so then I don't have to go back and remeasure everything and do it, because it's going to basically be the exact same size. But every window in this RV they're all completely different sizes, except for the 2 bedroom windows. to grab my drill and install it. That's it. The Joyride RV repair guy. Come on, man, look at that. Where'd we get those blinds in there and get that thing painted? Now, a lot of times you see people, they'll just take these things completely off and then they'll just put curtains up, or they'll just attach blinds like you would in your house. But here's the thing. In the RV, when you put blinds up, you almost want this channel, because as you're driving around, you're keeping them from swinging and bouncing around. So that's kind of why you want this channel to kind of hold them into place. And then it makes it look a little bit nicer, because then you don't just see the edge of the blinds because they're hidden from that. Because normally in your home, your blinds are usually recessed inside your window frame. And RVs, we don't have window frames. You pretty much have an RV style window. So that's kind of why you're basically essentially building a window frame for your blinds to set into, and then it makes it kind of nice because then you can mount them right up right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mount my blinds, and we'll have blinds in here.
It's recording.
This is my windows that I just put in my camper, and I hope you guys like them. Here's my blinds. I got these from Lowe's, and hope you guys like them and subscribe. We're gonna put them in. Was that good, babe? Huh?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Now, what if I actually put that in my video? Oh, pick these blinds up at Lowe's. They're nightshades, and they've got like a foil in there so to help, I guess, keep a lot of the heat and stuff out of the camper. But we're gonna go ahead. Oh, what's cool about these? I don't think I showed you the video. Laura's holding the camera, so I'm actually talking to her and you guys at the same time. But they actually take these boxes and put them in a machine, and it cuts the blinds to length.
What size are we putting on here? 43?
I think so. So we're doing the cellular.
Yes, this one's a 43 bedroom window. That's where all the magic happens. That's crazy.
And you said 43 and
40, yeah, just 43 inches.
okay, even.
Yep.
Okay. And cut.
That's pretty sweet how it... Look at that. Cut. That's perfect. You want to measure it, make sure?
We can.
Right there on the money. Dang.
Because you know you have brackets and all the hardware and stuff, so they kind of, I guess, put that in the center of the box, but there's this little hole right here in the box where it goes into the machine, and it just like slices on each end because there's a button on there, and I just was so amazed on how that thing worked.
He was so amazed.
Really, babe? You're ruining the mood. Alright. Screws. We're not going to use these screws that it came with because it's going to be too long and they'll come right up through the top. But I've got more hardware. Hey, bud. You gonna help? Here. Can you help me get these things off? Mm-hmm. I got another one on up here too. See? Even a 6-year-old can do it. Logan's gonna help me record. Mama had to go check on Liam. But these are, we went with a gray nightshade. Didn't come through the top. That's good, right? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Thanks, buddy. Alright, so they're clipped in. Let's test them out. See, it's got a little button right there. You want to show them how it works, bud? Look at that. Now pull it down. And see what I was talking about? See how this kind of holds them in place? That kind of holds the blinds in place right there. So they don't go swinging around as you're driving. It keeps them right where you want them.
Can they go down more than just this?
Yeah, they can go down a lot more, bud. You can go ahead and put them up. And when they're up, they actually don't look bad. It's like opens it up a lot in here. You don't have all that floral. Much better.
Let's go see what it looks like out.
That's the before, and there's the after. We got 2 windows down and a lot more to go. So we got this floral couch over here. We got to do something with that. We need to do something with the flooring. We're going to have to paint the cabinets, but we're still undecided on what we should do about the window frames that we built. I don't know if we should either stain those or if we should either just paint them the same color as we do on the cabinets. I don't know. What do you guys think? Laura's got a bunch of other stuff she wants to do with all the... Yeah, she's got a lot that she wants to do. So if you guys want to keep up and keep following the RV renovation, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And we do have a playlist just for the RV videos if that's like the only thing that you're into, because we do a lot of different things on this channel. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.